Before we jump into directory services, let's talk about the underlying protocol that's used in directory services called LDAP, or Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LDAP is used to access information in directory services like over a network. Two of the most popular directory services that use LDAP are Active Directory and Open LDAP, which we'll talk about more in upcoming lessons. There are lots of different operations you can use in LDAP. You can add a new entry in the directory server database, like creating a new user object called Christy. You can delete an entry in the directory server database, you can modify entries, and much more. When we say entry, we're referring to the LDAP entry format or LDAP notation for records in the directory service. An LDAP entry is just a collection of information that's used to describe something. Take a look at this example. Don't worry too much about what this says. The format of LDAP entries basically has a unique entry name denoted by DN or distinguished name, then attributes and values associated with that entry. So CN is the common name of the object. In this case, since it's a person, we use Devon Sridharan as the name. OU is the organizational unit, such as a group, and in this case, sysadmin is used. DC is domain component, so example.com is split into example, then com. Again, it's not necessary to remember these attributes. You can reference them in the next reading. The takeaway here is that LDAP notation is used for entries in directory services to describe attributes using values.